Stop guessing if it's that or which. There's actually a simple rule for this, and it all comes down to how much you need the information. That introduces a restrictive clause to define or identify a noun with essential information. If removed, it changes the meaning of the sentence. And there's no need for a comma here. The bike that has a flat tire is mine. Which introduces a non-restrictive clause with extra or non-essential information. Removing the clause doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. And it's almost always preceded by a comma. My bike, which has a flat tire, is parked there. Now, the global twist. In American English, they are always strict about this, but in British English, which is often used for both. However, the comma rule for extra info still applies. Here's your 3-second cheat sheet. Can you remove the clause and have the sentence still make sense? If yes, use which and add a comma. If no, use that and no commas. Got a grammar question? Drop it in the comments and I will break it down next. Thank you.